Welcome to another Fancy Smile unboxing video. Today we present the Nike Dunk Low Gray Fog. The Dunk Low Gray Fog is a must-have for any sneaker fan. We have recently seen a restock of this very popular item. If you observe the various online sneaker stores, you will notice that the shoe is selling very well again. Some sizes are already sold out or are very difficult to obtain. The first release was in September 2021 with a retail price of $100 because the sneaker sold out very quickly. Resellers sold this sneaker for prices between $200 and $350 at eBay or the StockX website. Right now you have the chance again to buy this sneaker for retail price. But we can really say how long the supplies will last. The good news is that this sneaker from the Dunk family is still available right now. The Nike Dunk Low sneaker has a rich history that dates back to the mid-1980s. Originally designed as a basketball shoe for varsity players, it gained popularity among college basketball teams and urban subcultures. The first thing you'll notice about the Dunk Low Gray Fog is its simple yet eye-catching colorway. The sole unit features Nike Air technology, making the Nike Dunk Low Gray Fog one of the most comfortable sneakers money can buy. The gray and white accents provide a nice contrast and pairs well with different clothing styles. The Nike Low Dunk Gray Fog sneaker is a stylish and versatile shoe that will definitely attract attention with its minimalist design.
We are pleased that we were able to show you this first-class sneaker. We hope we have made your decision a little easier as to whether you should buy this shoe. We definitely give you an absolute purchase recommendation, whether you are a collector or someone who just likes to look modern and stylish. We hope you enjoyed this video. Our mission is to entertain you and provide you with detailed information about new products. Please check out our other categories as well. Our channel is still very young and therefore very small. If you like our content, we would really appreciate it if you subscribe to us or give us a like. Thank you in advance.